Hey guys, it's Fahmi Rashid here from Marketing with Rashid and welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add your custom domain to your System.io account. Okay, and it's important that you have a custom domain. They are really cheap to get. You can get them from anywhere, either the main ones are GoDaddy or Namecheap. I recommend you use Namecheap, because it's a lot easier and you get more for the money. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GoDaddy, okay, because I've got a domain name on there. This is my dashboard. I'll jump over. I'll show you the importance of why you want a domain name, because this is my dummy account here. As you can see, this is what I signed up with. It says is.ras786 and it'll always say .system.io. Okay, if you don't have a custom domain on System.io, that'll always appear at the end. And this is my dummy one. As you can see, no one's going to remember that it's .ras786. It doesn't mean anything. It's not even it. That's half my first name, half my second name, and a string of numbers there. You don't want that as your domain name. What you want is something like this. This is my proper website here called, as you can see, it says there, Marketing with Rashid. That's what you want to see there. And the links are down below. Click the link down below. You come over to this page. I've got some training on there. And I've also got a free affiliate marketing course which you're interested in. All you have to do is enter your name and email address and click this button there. And it'll download straight to you. You'll come to a thank you page, then it'll be on your email address, the actual first email, how to get this course. Okay, feel free to check that out. And if you saw my previous video, I showed you how to create these cool favicons. You can see these favicons here. They're the ones which I created in the previous video. I showed you how to do it. Really simple. It only takes 60 seconds, 2 minutes to create a favicon. Once you've got a favicon, add it to System.io. As you can see, I know where my websites are here. Okay, that's the beauty of these favicons there. Where was I? Yeah. Adding a custom domain name, okay, and that's why you want it. That's why you want it. You want to say www.marketingwithrashid.com. You don't want these numbers here. Excuse me. Okay, this is my dummy blog here, as you can see. And the way you do that is come over to your dashboard, click on your face or your account, whatever image you put on there. You want to go to your account there, go over to settings. This is a paid account. So I'm allowed to have, I think, 5, 6 domains. Yeah, I've got 3 domains. I'm allowed to have 5, I think. So that was the original one. I don't want to use that one. I've got this one, and I've got Marketing with Rashid. That's my main one. But come over here where it says add domain. Then add your domain there. So the domain I'll be adding, if I jump over to my GoDaddy account, it'll be sorry, where have I gone? It'll be this one here, RashidReviews.com. Okay, let me just copy. It's best to always copy. I can write this in, but you don't want to make any spelling mistakes or anything. And then I'll go over to settings, add that domain. Now don't forget, don't just add the actual domain. Always have www in the front of this, okay? So on System.io, you always have to have www on there. And then click on here where it says save. And hopefully, you'll come to another kind of a window will pop up in the middle of this. There you go. And that's what you want there. This is all the information which I'm going to add to my GoDaddy account. I don't worry if you want to do this later on sometime and you want to exit out. In order to get this back, just come over here, we say show instructions, click on it, and that'll just pop up straight away. And now what we want to do is go over to GoDaddy. I think it's domains which you click. Make sure you're on the right domain. Ignore all this. And come over here where it says manage DNS. Okay, yeah, manage DNS. And here we need to add some records. You go for here to add new. I mean, these are all the records which you've got. Some of them you might not need. Okay, that's the old one. I thought I deleted that, but I'll just delete it now. I don't need that one because that website no longer exists. If you see my previous videos, you'll know why I got hacked, and my website got hacked by WordPress, and I was just fed up of it. So I just decided to get rid of it and started using System.io. Now what we want to do is add new record. Where it says choose, we don't want any of these AA, MX, TXT. We just want CNAME. That's all we're interested in, CNAME. Here, simple. We're just gonna put www. Okay, start. And here where it says value, what we're gonna do is come back over to the settings, and we're gonna copy this here. Okay, we're gonna copy all this. dv.net. Okay, just copy that. I may delete some of these, but you'll get the idea. Come over to the domain name, which says value, add it onto there. TTL, I'll be honest, I don't know what that means, but we're just going to leave it as it is. Actually, let's have a look. Okay, no, we'll just leave it as it is in the default half hour, whatever that means. Click on save. Okay, that's been added. As you can see, it's successfully been added. It'll take 48 hours up to show globally. Okay, we'll ignore that. We'll get back to that. And there you go. That's what we just added there. And what we want to do is add another record. So we click on that again. Again, it'll be CNAME. And here it gets a bit more challenging. Not too challenging. But you see these string and long letters here? We're going to copy everything here up to the dot. Okay. And I said up to the dot. That means not the dot. We're not going to include the dot there. So if I just copy the including that line at the front, come over up to the dot, to the very last number, copy it without the dot there, and then what we're going to do is paste that one here. And then in this value we're going to go back to the settings and we're just going to copy everything here including the dot. Okay, so that's included the dot. Watch this video again, you know, to make sure you're doing it right. Paste that into there, leave everything else as it is, click on save, and that should be done. Okay, that's basically it. That's all we have to do. We can X out of this and that should go blue. Let me just refresh this page. There you go. It says pending. Yeah, it says pending validation. So basically we just have to wait, and once all this is done, that'll go blue. Okay, but like I said previously, it could take between 24 and 48 hours. Okay, so if you're doing this in the morning, you can check later on in the evening. It may be done by then. So that's that added. There's another way of checking this. Is you come over to DNS checker. So I'll just jump over onto there. Just Google DNS checker. That's the one you want. It'll have that favicon in front of it. Click on there and then enter your domain name there. So www. Oh, okay. No, that's not what we want. That's my previous what I just. So basically, we want to put Rashid Reviews in there. I hope I spelt it right. .com. Yeah, that's the one, isn't it? Search. And all this should go green. Unless I've spelled something wrong. All this should be going green. So let me just do that again. Let me just copy this. There you go. It's gone green. Green. Some of them are green. It should all be going green, by the way. Okay, now we're done it. Sorry, I had to figure out what was going wrong there. Basically, this was it wasn't on CNAME. Okay, it was on something like that. If I click on search now, you'll get some X's if you do it that way. But basically, that's the first time that's happened. Normally, it's on CNAME anyway. But if I click on that, search that, all these should be green. Okay, and you can see all the green. But basically, it's worked, and we just got to wait between 24 48 hours for that to get sorted. Now, if you don't use GoDaddy like I have done, and you use Namecheap, it's the same process. Okay, jump over to this is my Namecheap account. That's the Marketing with Rashid. Click over here where it says manage. That's it. Yeah, just give me a second for this to load up. Once you've clicked on that, it should come over to this part here. And what you want to do in Namecheap is go to here where it says Advanced DNS, and it's basically the same process. Okay, so that's it. That's what I added. I created a CNAME. See here where it says Add Action. Sorry. Basically, you add CNAME record. You see where it says Add New Record. Just click on there, and you go over to CNAME there. Okay, see these AA. We don't want any of these. You want to press CNAME. Okay. So I'm not going to do that now because I've already done it, and as you can see, I've added the first numbers there. I put www there, then added the first one there, and then I did the others. It was the exact same process. Okay, and don't forget when you do on Namecheap, there's a button there. It doesn't say save. You just click on this check mark there. Okay, that's the one which I created. We don't want that, so I'll just delete that one there. It's the same way. Okay, it looks slightly different, but basically you go to your domain name, choose your domain name, go to Advanced DNS. And then you come over to this section here, and you might not have any of these CNAMEs here, but basically you want to press here which says Add New Record and add the same information which you got over here. See, like www. Then add this one, then add these up to the dot there. Okay, I hope this video has made sense. Let me just refresh that. No, it'll take about 48 hours, but by next day it should be done. That'll be a website which will be fully working. Then you can edit it using System.io, and your it'll say there www.rashidreviews.com, okay, or yourname.com, and that's what you want. How long this video has gone over 10 minutes, which I did not want to do, but basically you can do this in less than 5 minutes. Once you've got a domain name, add it, wait a few hours, maybe a couple of days, and it'll pop up that way. I think I've covered everything. I think I've said everything. Yep, that's how you do it. That's the CNAME, that's the GoDaddy, that was Namecheap. And then check it here, DNS, as you can see it's all working. We just have to wait until the next day for it to kick in. Okay, that's me, Isfan Rashid from Rashid Reviews. Sorry, not Rashid Reviews, from Marketing with Rashid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be a free affiliate marketing course below. Just click on that, come over here, add your name, email, grab that course, and check out my website as it is there as well. I'll be adding some more stuff on here soon. I think I've said everything I need to say. I'll speak to you next time.